How to fix Swiggy app multiple accounts detected problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the first thing that you have to do is simply log out and then log back in again. Log out from your Swiggy account in the app, close the app completely and wait for a few seconds and then reopen it. Now after that, log back in with the main account that you want to use. Once done, the next step would be to open up Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone Storage. Now inside iPhone Storage, search for Swiggy app and then tap onto it. Now once you are in this section, simply tap on Upload app and then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by Swiggy app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once the uploading is done, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open up your App Store. Now once you are inside the App Store, search for Swiggy app. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, long press Swiggy app, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.